Are you looking for a way to earn an extra $100 a day in 2025? Right from the USA? Well, you're not alone. Thousands of people are searching for side hustles that actually work. Not scams, not get-rich-quick schemes, but real opportunities. So today, I'll share the 5 best side hustles in 2025 that can help you hit that $100 daily mark. Stick with me until the end, because hustle number 5 might surprise you the most. Hustle number 1 is freelance remote work. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are booming in 2025. Businesses from the USA and worldwide are looking for people who can write, design, edit videos, manage social media, or even do simple tasks like data entry. The best part? You don't need to be an expert. Many freelancers start with basic skills and grow their income over time. If you dedicate just 2 to 3 hours a day, earning $100 daily is absolutely possible. Hustle number 2 is print on demand and digital products. Websites like Redbubble, Etsy, and Teespring allow you to design t-shirts, mugs, or even digital planners without holding any inventory. Every time someone buys your design, you earn profit, and it keeps selling even while you sleep. This hustle is perfect for creative people who love making designs or digital templates. In 2025, this market is only growing bigger. Now let's move on to hustle number 3, online tutoring and teaching. If you're good at English, math, coding, or even music, you can start teaching online through platforms like Cambly, Preply, or OutSchool. Parents in the USA are spending more money on online education than ever before. Teaching just a few hours a day can easily add up to $100 or more. And the bonus? You're not just making money, you're also helping others learn. Hustle number 4 is affiliate marketing. This means you promote someone else's product, and whenever people buy through your link, you earn a commission. For example, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or software affiliate programs can pay you 10, 20, even 50% per sale. You can promote these products through YouTube, blogs, TikTok, or even simple review websites. In 2025, affiliate marketing remains one of the most powerful side hustles because the internet keeps growing. And finally, hustle number 5, content creation. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels are exploding right now. If you can create short, engaging videos, even faceless videos, you can earn from ad revenue, sponsorships, and brand deals. Many creators are making $100 a day with just one viral video or consistent posting. The best part is, you don't need expensive equipment. Your smartphone, free editing apps, and creativity are enough to get started. So there you have it, the 5 best side hustles to make $100 a day in 2025. From freelancing and print on demand to content creation, the opportunities are endless. Now I want to hear from you. Which hustle are you going to try first? Comment below and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Wealth Vision, and hit the bell icon for more powerful money-making tips.